Most agencies are missing out on $500,000 a year by skipping productized offers. Having guided 900 founders past this trap, I've nailed down the 9 best add-ons for more profit, more peace, and more rapid growth. So in this video, I'm going to show you each productized offer and how you can implement them for big results with really minimal effort and or hiring. You have to understand that scaling your agency isn't about just juggling more clients or hiring a bigger team. It's about building a smart system, an ecosystem, if you will, where every type of customer gets exactly what they need without you burning the candle at both ends. Here's how it works. You've got a handful of top tier clients who get your hands-on VIP treatment. Then you've got members and customers. These are tapping into your expertise through a variety of scalable offerings. Think trainings all the way down to templates and or even group programs. Now, each of these 3 groups gets real value, but your time stays protected. Picture your agency like a well-run restaurant. A few guests book the chef's table for a premium hands-on experience. Most enjoy the main menu, and then others swing by for grab and go. Everyone's served, the kitchen runs smooth, and you're not stuck sweating over every single order. The magic isn't just in having lots of offers. It's in how they actually fit together to play nice with each other. Now, when you build an ecosystem right, you boost your impact, you protect your time, and you unlock profits that go way beyond any sort of one-on-one work and the potential that that work even has. Here's how we're gonna break it down. We're gonna organize these 9 offers by who they serve in your business inside of this ecosystem, starting with clients, then members, and then customers. So for each offer, I'm gonna walk you through the problem that it solves so you know who it's for, the big result that you can expect, and then proof that it works, so like a real world example that you, either from our clients or that you might know of, and then really how to do it yourself with kind of a quick actionable example. And lastly, I'll share like a pro tip to get the most out of it. That way, you're gonna see exactly where each offer fits, how it works, and how you can use it to grow your agency without just adding more chaos. Offer 1 is AI-assisted Productize services. So let's be real, custom projects, they are like quicksand for agencies. Every new client wants their special unicorn. Then your team is out there hacking away, working nights and weekends. And then your profit, well, that's sinking faster than your will to live at this point. Now, I've been there. I was the guy in my agency handcrafting every single webinar funnel like it was a bespoke suit. And we were sweating every single detail every time for each and every client. Then I got wise. I slapped a fixed scope on that baby, and I sprinkled in our library of templates and pre-built automations, making fulfillment way more of a breeze. And suddenly we were charging $7,500 and built our way up to $15,000 projects, and they were flying out the door, 3 to 5 per month. My team stopped burning out, my accountant started smiling, and my margins, chef's kiss. It's like going from baking wedding cakes on demand to running a cupcake factory. You get the same great taste, but you're pumping them out by the dozen and you're raking in the dough. So how do you pull this off without losing your damn mind? Here's what we're gonna do. Step 1, I want you to pick your signature service. Step 2, I want you to lock down the scope of it. No more, can you just add type of requests. Step 3, build out your arsenal of templates, SOPs, automation, the works. These are the things that you're gonna go to each and every time to get the job done. Step 4, weave in AI. At this stage of the game, you can weave in AI to do a lot of the heavy lifting. Now you're delivering twice as fast and twice the margin, and your team, guess what? They're actually gonna get their weekends back again. Now, pro tip, never, and I mean never, try this without pre-built assets. Templates and automations are your secret sauce. So in summary, offer number 1 for our clients is productized services with AI to lighten the load of delivery. Now, this brings us to offer number 2. Offer number 2 is a VIP day or VIP intensive. Ever feel like your clients are moving at a snail's pace? You're sitting there itching to do deep, game-changing work, but they're stuck in the like, let's circle back next month type of mode. Meanwhile, your revenue is stuck in neutral. Here's how I broke the cycle. I started offering VIP days. Think of it as an agency power-up. 1 client, 1 mission, 1 laser-focused sprint. I've ran many of these 3.5-hour half-day intensives, and I've charged up to $4,500. I've even done in-person power days where I tackle their biggest headaches in a single shot for anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000. The result is clients got breakthroughs faster than they can say scope creep, and I got paid. and instantly for that matter. No more waiting for invoices to trickle in over 6 months. It's sort of like swapping a slow-cooked stew for a pressure cooker. The same ingredients, but you're serving the results up in record time. And guess what? Everyone's coming back for seconds when you do it this way. So how do you bring this lightning bolt of energy into your own business? Step 1 is you got to pick the juiciest, most high impact transformation. Step 2 is you want to wrap it up in a 1-day VIP experience. You want to make it exclusive. You want to make it premium. And then step 3 is tell your clients, hey, we're doing this in a day, no more endless back and forth. And step 4 is always have a killer next step offer ready, because trust me, they're going to want more once they see what you can do in a single day. And honestly, most people won't be able to implement everything that you do in that day, and they're going to need ongoing support, which is a recurring offer that you can put on the back end. So please never, ever let a VIP day end without pitching them on the next step. These days are like client crack, and they're going to be begging for more, especially around the ongoing support, accountability on the implementation. So number 2, turn your agency's secret sauce into a 1-day revenue explosion. The third offer in our Productize offers, and these fit in the client category as well, is asynchronous consulting and coaching. Now here's the problem. You want to deliver high touch, expert guidance. But today's world, you'd rather eat glass than spend your life chained to more and more Zoom calls. Now, this can become a $10,000 to $100,000 a year revenue stream, and you can do it without ever having to say, can you see my screen again? Now, personally, I've added this offer onto my Productized programs, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, for an additional $1,500 a month. My friend Ari Mizell built a high 6 to 7 figure coaching business purely selling asynchronous coaching over voice tools like Voxer or WhatsApp. Now, again, some folks use Telegram or WhatsApp or Voxer. Some even use Slack. Whatever fits, it doesn't matter. It's got to be flexible for you, valuable for them, and then your calendar can stay blissfully empty. So here's how you do this. You set up some sort of advisory plan or mentorship plan where clients get asynchronous access to you each week. You promise a fast turnaround, not a calendar slot. They're going to get your brain on demand and you get your time back. And it's simply your expertise delivered on demand. No meetings, no scheduling, no having to watch videos, just pure value. If you want to stay sane, never offer asynchronous support without clear boundaries and guaranteed response times. You got to give them the expectations. So scope equals sanity. This brings us to offer number 4, which is our first in the member category. And this is a productized done with you program. Now let's be real. There are only so many hours in your day and your one-on-one roster is maxed out. Meanwhile, there's probably dozens of prospects that want your magic, but they can't cough up the big bucks for that premium service. So you're capped and they're frustrated and then everyone's missing out. Here's how I smashed that ceiling. I took our $15,000 done for you webinar funnel and I spun it into a $5,000 done with you program. Now the members got the same battle-tested system, but with plug and play templates, fill in the blank pages, and really swipe everything emails. I was able to help dozens of clients at once without cloning myself or inventing time travel. The result is that members raved about the clarity they got. They got results faster, and they felt like part of a winning team. If you want proof that this scales, just go look at Alex Hormozi's gym launch. This was group delivery, high ticket, massive results in 16 weeks, and a tribe that stuck around like it's a Netflix series. So your Productize program is a lot like turning your secret sauce into a meal kit. Everyone gets the ingredients, they get the recipe, and then you're there available to make sure that nobody burns the kitchen down. So how do you whip this up in your agency or service business? Step 1, I want you to grab your most successful done for you system. Step 2, I want you to break it down into a step-by-step group program. This means frameworks, templates, the works. Step 3, I want you to build a community around it. This is weekly calls, a private community, maybe in school, like using a group accountability. You can use threads for that as well. Step 4 is to serve up your results to a group, not just one person, and watch your revenue multiply without multiplying your stress. Now, a pro tip here, don't even think about launching this without having these processes and templates and your frameworks codified. The more that you can hand over, the more members will win and the more that they're going to rave about it. So your secret sauce bottled up and delivered to a group environment, one to many, with a side of support and a tribe that actually shows up is the Productized program. This brings us to number 5, which is an implementation workshop. This is another member offer. The problem it solves here is that most clients are world-class overthinkers. They know what to do, but let's be real, they never do it. You need them executing, not just dreaming. So this one move can drop 10 to 50K into your account in a single weekend. I remember when I was getting ready to rebrand our agency from Systemly to what we are now, Alt Agency. And I bought a $5,000 workshop in Austin, Texas from my now friend, Ree Perez. And he took me through 2 days following his process to dial in our brand messaging and positioning. It was me and 4 other people in this room. That was a 25K day for 2 days for Ree. The results, instant. The energy off the charts. And it was super helpful being around other people working through the exact same process. So pick a single outcome like building an offer or launching ads and walk a group through it in a 1 to 2 day sprint, either online or in person for bonus points. Everyone finishes with a real result, and you finish with a bigger payday. And simply, it's group execution with you leading the charge, providing the tools, the facilitation, and setting the deadline. Now, one tip here, if you want to get the most out of this, never run a workshop without a focused outcome. So think build X in Y days. If you don't have a finish line, it's really difficult for someone to cross it. Now, this brings us to number 6, Masterminds and Retreats. And this is another good member type offer. Now, your best clients, they're probably not just hunting for the next tactic. They crave real connection, high-level peers, and they want fresh perspective that might actually move the needle. In my experience, this is a $30,000 to $50,000 a year offer, and it turns great clients into lifetime superfans, and it pays you like it. I know I've personally bought masterminds ranging from $30,000 to $60,000 a year, and these are more about who's not in the room. One of my former clients, George, was helping his clients with email for his e-commerce clients. And he started a mastermind to bring all of those people together kind of as a hive mind. And he was able to charge $3,500 a month to facilitate and make sure that the expertise from each client was kind of being transferred and everyone was up to speed on what was working and what wasn't. Now, right now, what we've done is we've woven in mastermind-like ingredients into our Trailblazer Collective, which has all of our curriculum, our step-by-step playbooks, but it's actually helped members stick around longer, invest more, and level up faster. For example, you could bundle retreats with your regular group calls or your regular check-ins. Really, I recommend you to limit the seats, make it premium, and price it more for access and experience, not just the content. Think about this as that VIP access plus a curated community built for your best, most committed clients. And one tip on this, if you want to keep the magic in this room, don't really offer this to cold clients. Only invite people who have already gotten results, already understand your methods and your models, and bring them in with you. Now, this brings us to Productize offer number 7, and that's internal team training and certification. This is another great member type offer. The problem it solves here is that your past clients, they might want to scale, but their teams aren't trained and you can't clone yourself yet. And maybe you don't want to grow your team just to do more and bring on more business in-house. So this is a scalable B2B move that drops 5 figures per client without piling on extra work for you. Now, if you want proof of this, you don't have to look very far. EOS, StoryBrand, Sandler Training. Companies pay big to license proven frameworks and get their teams trained up on them. Our client, Rob, is another good example of this. He goes into his clients' businesses and he's training their entire team on how to create a repeatable content engine. He's getting about mid-5 figures to help them learn and implement this internally over about a 6-month window. So I want you to turn your method into a step-by-step curriculum, if you will. Offer it as team training or a certification or a license. They get your playbook, their team levels up, and you get paid over and over and over again. It's simply your expertise packaged and installed in someone else's team. Now, one tip on this, if you want this to scale, never sell it before you've documented every step of your system. If it's not teachable, it's probably not going to be scalable. Now, this brings us to Productized offer number 8, low ticket paid workshops and events. Now, this fits in my customer category. Now, free lead magnets these days can get ignored. And you don't want just more leads. You want customers who pay and show up and are primed to buy more. So these workshops actually build your list, they fund your ad spend, and they fill your funnel with buyers, not just tire kickers. Now, we've run $100 to $200 workshops like our offer blueprint and our client winning content workshop. Each of these events have pulled in about 25 to 35 buyers and then had anywhere from 4 to 7 people upgrade into a $7,000 or $10,000 offer. That's over $30,000 from a single low ticket entry point. So I want you to pick a single transformation. I want you to teach it live, charge $100 if it's easy for you. Use the back end to pitch your done with you or your group productized offer. You get paid to build your list and create your next client. It's simply a fast track, bite-sized win that turns cold leads into red hot buyers. Now, if you want this to work to get people into buy the next thing, never end your paid workshop without a pitch or a clear next step. This isn't just about training and getting the first buyer. It's about converting them into the next thing. Now, this brings us to number 9, which is digital products, templates, and now AI GPTs. And this is another offer for those customers. Now, you want to wake up to Stripe notifications, not client calls or project requests or delivery headaches. So this is your long tail scalable revenue stream. It offsets ad costs and pumps up your lifetime value on autopilot. Now, we sell $7 ebooks. We have our Notion templates that we sell, and we have plug and play templates that are woven into small tactical digital products that are really unbundled from our core curriculum. Buyers get instant results, and we get to collect money with having no human interaction or fulfillment involved, because it's really more about transferring information. So this is value delivered while you sleep. So I want you to take one piece of your process and turn it into a kit or a swipe file or a digital tool and put it up for sale. I want you to rinse, repeat, and then scale this. In its simplest form, this is kind of self-serve value that sells itself while you're off the clock. Now, if you want to win here, never build random products. Start by unbundling what you already give clients or members and sell it as a standalone. Now, I want to be real clear with you here. You do not need all 9 of these offers. In fact, I want you to think about just stacking 2 or 3 that complement each other really well, because that's your simplest path to that extra $500K a year. Focusing on one at a time gives you the info and the reps that will inform you which one is the next right one to add. So I want you to play to your strengths. I want you to systematize that delivery and then plug the gaps with these productized offers. Simple, repeatable, and powerful. Now, if you want to build your own offer ecosystem, I want you to apply to work with me. Let's design it together using the link in the description. Now, if you want to see exactly how I scaled my productized done with you offer to $100,000 a month, then don't miss this next video. I'm going to break it all down right here.